Hi there, Glenn here from Final Draft Mapping, and in this quick video we're going to see how we can find out what version of the ArcGIS API for Python our Python interpreter is utilizing. So let's check it out. For this example I am using PyScripter, but you could be using any IDE of choice. I'm going to import the ArcGIS module. With the ArcGIS module imported, I'm going to call the module _version and another double underscore and hit enter, and we can see my Python interpreter is utilizing version 2.4.1.1 of the ArcGIS API for Python. Now this can be very important. As of 2.4.0 there was a major change to how we interact with web maps. The WebMap class was deprecated, it was actually removed, and the map class was introduced instead of it. So knowing the version of the ArcGIS API for Python that your interpreter is utilizing can be very important.